Hey, this is Gary Hood, just north of Houston in New Caney. Um, Day two of Drone Command Live, and we're drinking from the fire hose. He is not lying. The information that we're getting today is fast and furious, but is so valuable. I totally underestimated the value of this course when I signed up for it. Um, there's so much information, and the big takeaway today is the empathy headlines that he taught us how to put ourselves in the client's shoes, and from that standpoint, generate the hot button and the headlines that you get from that. That's huge. That's so out of the box thinking. Um, it's it's really not something that anybody has even broached the subject with me about before, or I've never been involved with this level of out of the box thinking when it comes to marketing. So, very appreciative of that. And like I said, I've already gotten value for the course. Even if we stop right now, the the information is incredible. Thank you a lot.